Uneducated person.
Sorry?
Uneducated person.
Yes. Illiteracy means the person who is not educated is known as illiteracy, and literacy means that the person who is educated and he or she can present his ideas, different ideas. If we are educated, then we can think it and present our idea to other person. We can give opinion, belief, views, and make others understand. Okay? So it means literacy. So second major problem is illiteracy. Who will read?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, start better.
Illiteracy. Illiteracy is the biggest factor um, hindering
Hindering.
the progress hindering the progress of a nation. Literacy is required to understand new ideas, discoveries, and knowledge. A literate person can effectively present his ideas, opinions, views, and beliefs to an another
Belief.
person and make beliefs to an another person and make him understand. When we attained independence, the literacy rate was quite low, but the government's awareness towards education has increased the literacy rate in the country.
Yes. So second major problem is illiteracy. Illiteracy means what? The person who is not educated. So he or she can't present the different ideas. They can't give us different ideas. Uh, they can't discover any things. Okay, they don't have knowledge. So for that, our government during after independence, our literacy rate was very low. People were not educated. So government has spread free education. They for primary level, that is age group 6 to 14, they have to compulsory study. They are given free scholarships, midday meal. Midday meal means afternoon meal is given. Girls' education is free. Pre-primary schools are open. And most important thing, in 2009, RT, Right to Education, in that from age, that is 6, the child is given free education. They don't have to pay the fees to school. That government is giving. Became aware for so girls, you all are sleeping.
No, ma'am.
Who will read?
Ma'am, may I continue?
Yes, start.
Okay. For your knowledge, in the 19th century, in order to increase the literacy rate in his state, Maharaja Sayaji Rao uh, Gay Gaikwad,
Gaikwad.
Gaikwad initiate free and compulsory primary education measures.
Incidents.
Today today many incidents are heard where people take undue advantage of person's literacy. This literacy is a
Illiterate.
black spot, although many measures have been undertaken to
Era cheat.
eradicate it, like free and compulsory education at primary level in the age group of 6 to 14 years, universalization of primary education, midday meal, pre-primary education, girl education, relate policies, Vidyadip policy in ashram schools, idle residential school, continuous education, and since 2009, RTE, Right to Education, has been introduced and in
Implemented.
implemented.
So I have told, if we are not educated, then person can cheat us. They can take advantages of us. So our government has taken special steps that free education is given. Primary school is compulsory from age 6 to 14. Then RTE is implemented and introduced from 2009. Yes, some girls are given free education. Girl education related policy is being started. Okay, so this much understood. What's the meaning of illiteracy? Why we should be literate and measure steps. Understood this much, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we move further? We can see the chart now.
Yes.
Okay, so in year 1971, our literacy rate was 36.95. Our literacy rate was 36.95 percentage. It increased up to in 1981 it was 44.92. So tell me how much it was increased by 1981. So what you will do to count literacy rate? Girls, what you will do to count literacy rate? How much it was increased? Anyone know the answer or shall I tell you?
No.
So, what you will do
No.
if I have asked that how much it was increased by 1981? So, you have to minus 1981 minus 1971. Year 1981 minus 1971. So, tell me what is the answer? How much it is increased?
Means, ma'am, we
Done?
have to minus
You have
1981 minus 19.
1971.
Um,
7.97.
Sorry.
7.97.
What you will do? 4.92 minus 36.95. 12 minus 5, 7.
yes, ma'am. 7.97.
7.97.
Yes, your answer is right. So how much it was increased? 7 point
97. Hello, ma'am. Your voice is not coming.
it is
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
now it is coming clearly.
No.
No,
Now it
ma'am.
is
No,
coming
ma'am.
clearly.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. It's cutting.
Delisha, now voice is coming clearly better.
Yes, ma'am. Now
Yes,
it's
ma'am. Now it's
coming.
clear.
Yeah, now it's clear.
So in 1991, our literacy rate was 61.29. In 2001, 69.14, and in 2011, it's 79.13. So why literacy rate was increasing? Because special steps have been taken by government of free education and that all. That's why our literacy rate is becoming high. Okay, understood this much?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so shall I ask some questions? What's the meaning of illiteracy? Who will tell me? And
Ma'am,
which
may
is the
I?
biggest
Illiteracy means
factor hindering the
uneducated
progress of a
person.
nation? Who will tell me this answer?
What, ma'am?
Illiteracy means uneducated people.
And which is the biggest factor hindering the progress of nation?
Illiteracy.
Okay. who can present different ideas effectively ideas?
Literate person.
Okay. Which steps were taken by government for the awareness of education? What they have started?
Free education, pre-primary, midday meal, school scholarship, primary education,
Okay. And
Vidyadip
measure?
policy.
Okay. And most important thing that is in 2009 RTA, Right to Education, has been introduced and implemented. Okay. So in 1991, what was our literacy rate? What was the literacy rate in 1991?
61.29.
In 2011?
79.13.
Okay. So understood literacy, illiteracy, the second problem faced by India, internal problem. Girls,
Yes.
okay. Shall we move to inflation?
Yes.
Okay. What's the meaning of inflation? Anyone know it? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Inflation means what? The necessity means the thing which we are using, necessity, essential commodities, okay, that price is higher. Means if its price is 30 and the shopkeeper is taking 33 rupees, okay, so the price is becoming higher. It is our basic necessities that price is higher is called inflation. You understood? The increase in price of essential commodities and other necessities is called inflation, price rise. Okay? Understood what's the meaning of inflation?
Okay.
Okay. So, nowadays, who will read?
Ma'am, the increasing is price of essential, the basic
Required.
required commodities and other necessities is known as inflation. Adverse
I
effect.
have told that what's the meaning of inflation? Wait. I have told you the meaning of inflation that basic required commodities and other necessities that price are that's essential for our day-to-day life and its prices increase. So it's known as inflation. Okay, read.
Adverse effect of this price rise in commodities used daily is seen on human life. Inflation is a heavy burden on common man. It becomes
It's MAN man, no? It's not MAIN man. It's MAN man.
it's become too too for the
Tough.
middle class people of Iran. Their living the common people have to bear the price rise. The living standard of people goes down. It has become difficult to fight inflation due to increase in price of necessary commodities. Sometimes the common man has to go without it also.
So, due to price rise, common people can't bear it, okay? Because they can't take some things which is necessary for our day-to-day life. So, which step should we take? We should not go, those who are doing black marketing, we should not go there and buy the things. We should, if some people are doing corruption, we should not support them. We should not give them vote, okay? We should not, if some people are storing the things in go down, and we should not buy that things. So we due to that we can get price rise will get decrease. Okay, so which are the factors affecting inflation? That is corruption. First is corruption. What's the meaning of corruption?
That that black money, like.
No, it's not black money, but we tell it bhrashtachar.
Yes,
Understood?
that.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
second is keeping the stock of things in the godown. It means holding the things which are stored in godowns and they are not giving to the people. Okay, they are telling it's not available, it's not available, and they are storing the things. Okay, then black marketing. Black marketing meaning you know it, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If its price is 80 rupees and in black marketing they are taking 90, 100 rupees and selling it. Okay. It's black marketing. Population increase. Population is increasing day by day. So this all factors affect in price rise. These are the factors affecting inflation. So tell me how we can stop it. So for that I have told you that those who are doing corruption, those who are storing the things, those who are doing black marketing, we should not support them. Okay, this is the solution. So we can leave it. Okay. So understood inflation?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Girls, only one is
Yes,
present in
ma'am.
the class. Okay. So this much today we will do. Now we will revise chapter number 5 because some was asking for the revision of chapter number 5. Okay. Any doubt related to these topics?
No,
Illiteracy
ma'am.
and
No, ma'am.
inflation? Okay. You are sure about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So shall we revise the chapter number 5, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
Questions. I will not present the screen. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes or
Your
no?
voice is not coming.
Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will not present the screen. I will ask the questions. Okay. Okay. Or shall I present the screen? What you all want to do? Tell me fast.
Ma'am, present the screen.
Okay. So first topic was what are what's the meaning of revolutionaries of India? Tell me. What's the meaning of revolutionaries of India? Girls, what's the meaning of revolutionaries of India? Delisha, Conan, Delisha, Conan. What's the meaning of revolutionaries of India? Tamanna, Mahek.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, मेरा माइक ही ऑन नहीं हो रहा था, that's why. And
Tell me revolutionaries of India. What are the revolutionaries of India?
revolutionaries of India means like freedom fighters who fight for the freedom of our India.
Yes. Youngsters who used to take the weapons and fight to save the country with bravery are known as revolutionaries of India.
India.
People are which people took part in this revolution? Which people took part?
Like V. Savarkar
No, all
and
type of people. Those who are literate, illiterate.
yes,
Yes, no.
yes, ma'am.
When was Vasudev Balban Phalke born? Knowing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
V.
Hmm? The question you find it. Okay, it's for your general knowledge. Okay. Who was the pioneer to start revolution in India?
Vasudev Balwan Patke
Where was he working?
in Pune.
Okay, what vow was taken by Vasudev Balwant Phalke?
That he took a vow that he will not apply tilak on his forehead and not to cut his hair till he did not free India.
From the clutches of Britishers. Okay. How much price
Yes.
was announced to arrest Vasudev Balwant Phalke by British government?
4,000.
Okay. So, what is the full name of Veer Savarkar?
Vinayak Damodar Savarkar.
Only one has to give answer. Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
girls, girls, I am telling you. Then not we will not revise. Oh, we don't have time. Girls,
Ma'am, no
Yes,
one is
ma'am.
answering.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am.
yes.
Veer Savarkar
Veer
was
Savarkar
Was
born
born. Veer
born on
Savarkar born
28th May
28 May 1883
in which
in Bhagur village.
in which village?
Bhagur
Okay.
village,
Which book
Rajasthan.
was which book was written by Veer Savarkar? It was published or
1857,
banned?
India's first freedom struggle.
It was published or banned?
It was banned before it was published.
Okay. When was Veer Savarkar died?
Veer Savarkar died on 26 February 1996. Ma'am, your voice is not coming clear.
It's not coming clear, beta.
Ma'am, now it's coming. First, it was not coming.
Now it is coming clear.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When was Khudiram Bose born?
On 3rd December 1889.
On 3rd December.
1889.
Okay. Who threw a bomb on the horse cart of George King's fort?
Khudiram Bose and
Khudiram Bose.
Praful Chakri.
Praful Chakki. Okay. On which day and in which year?
30 April 1908.
Okay. When was Ram Prasad Bismil born? In
In
which state?
Shahjahanpur. In Shahjahanpur.
in Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Okay. And which role were played by Ram Prasad Bismil?
He played a vital role in robbery and
Attacking.
attacking.
Sir Kakori train. Yes, okay.
Hmm.
Who was the childhood friend of Asfaqullah Khan?
Prasad Bismil.
Ram
Okay.
Prasad Bismil.
Asfaqullah Khan was fond of
Sports.
and expert in.
Horse and shooting.
Shooting
Shooting.
Okay. Who prevented attack on Arya Samaj temple in Shahjahanpur? Who prevented the attack on Arya Samaj
Ashfaqullah
temple?
Khan.
Okay. The most important topic, Chandrasekhar Azad. When was Chandrasekhar Azad born?
On
In
23rd July
23rd July
1906.
1906 in
Okay.
Bhaura village of Ali Rajput.
Real name of Chandrasekhar. Real Chandrasekhar Azad.
Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari.
Okay. In court, which name was given by Chandrasekhar Azad?
Azad.
Father's name
freedom.
Freedom.
and resident's name.
What, ma'am?
Prison.
Resident's name.
Prison.
Prison.
Okay. On okay. Where was Chandrasekhar Azad caught by British police? Where was he surrendered?
Kakori train.
In
No,
Kakuri
no,
station.
All over India.
no. I have asked where was he which place he was surrendered from which place British. Sorry,
Ahmedabad.
Allahabad.
Allahabad. Yes,
Allahabad.
ma'am.
Sorry.
Alfred Park of Allahabad. On which day? 27th February 1931.
One.
Let's see. Where was Bhagat Singh born? In which village? Only village I want.
25th September 1907 in
Village.
Bhanga village of
Banga village.
Dayapur
Banga village.
district
Okay.
in Bengal,
Gyalpur district
Punjab.
But
of
I have
Punjab.
asked just only village name. Who threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly?
What, ma'am?
Who threw bomb in Legislative Assembly? Who threw bomb in
Bhagat
Legislative
Singh
Assembly?
and
Bhagat Singh
Batu
and Batu
Keshwar.
Keshwar Dutt.
Okay. Which were the slogans given shouted by after throwing a bomb? Which were the slogans?
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद साम्राज्यवाद का नाश हो दुनिया के मजदूर एक हो
Okay. Who opened Indian House in London?
श्यामजी कृष्णा वर्मा
Which magazine was started by Shyamji Krishna Verma?
uh,
Indian sociologist.
Okay. When was Madam Kama born?
24th
4th
September
September
1861
1861 in Mumbai.
Mumbai
Okay. Which slogan was spoken by Indians in the conference?
Vande
Vande
Mataram.
Mataram.
वंदे मातरम
Okay. So we have revised this chapter. Any
yes
doubt?
no ma'am
So in next lecture you are having the test of chapter number 5.
okay ma'am
Okay, ma'am.
Completed your fair book? Completed
Yes,
your
ma'am.
fair book?
yes ma'am half is left
Okay. So by Thursday you will complete it.
okay
Yes.
ma'am
and then after uh, we will move to the next topic, that is poverty. Okay, of chapter number
Okay,
8.
ma'am.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you complete your fair book and tell me the answers which I have given you of overpopulation rate, how much it was increased. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Thank you for coming.
Welcome.